What's happening, guys? Welcome to the Rebel Workshop. Now this video is a wee bit different than usual. To be honest, I've not had time to really do anything over the last couple of weeks. So instead of not putting a video out, I thought I would just update you guys on the phone case that I did a couple of weeks ago. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, it's definitely started to naturally weather itself, especially on the edges. If it will focus. Yeah, some natural weathering going on there, and some natural chipping as well. So yeah, since I did the video, I added in these decal stickers. These come courtesy of Farbworks80 on Instagram. He's recreated some of the logos and stickers and decals that you can see at Galaxy's Edge, and very kindly allowed the community free access to them. So I have some stickers that are printed out and stuck down, which I was originally going to do. Yeah, I am starting to like it more and more. I'm starting to like it. But yeah, I will be back with some actual videos soon. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support. Please remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. And I'll see you next time on the Rebel Workshop.